In a groundbreaking new development that's transforming urban transportation, China has just achieved what many thought was years or even decades away. Fully commercial autonomous flying taxis are now a reality. Q2 of 2025, China made history by approving the first autonomous flying taxis for commercial use. The CAAC, the Civil Aviation Administration of China, which is like the FAA in the United States, granted air operator certificates to two pioneering companies, Ehang and He Airlines. It isn't just about testing anymore. These are fully commercial passenger services. These are including drone taxis, urban sightseeing tours, and much more. But how did we get here? Now, the approval process, of course, was rigorous. There was lots of testing and ultimately requiring three key certifications: a type certification, a production certification, and airworthiness certification. So let's look at the Ehang EH216S. This is an eVTOL, an electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. It's got a max speed of 81 miles an hour. It's got advanced 5G connectivity, real-time command center communication, and new state-of-the-art lithium metal solid-state batteries with over 45 minutes of flight time, and expected to reach 60 minutes of flight time within a year. Current operations in China are focused on Guangzhou and Hefei, those two areas. And the services are starting with sightseeing tours, but are going to shortly expand into urban commuting, emergency services, and logistics support. Now, this isn't just about transportation. This is part of China's broader economic strategy. The government is actively promoting the low-altitude economy, alongside with artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and advanced manufacturing. Now, this strategic focus has accelerated development significantly. And according to research by the Huron Group, by 2035, China's low-altitude economy will be worth over $400 billion. I know it's crazy, right? Hey, look, if you find this interesting, please share this video and click the like button. I'd really appreciate it. So what does this mean for the United States? Well, increased pressure on the FAA for drone regulations for integration. American companies are accelerating development, and this creates all kinds of new investment opportunities. Also, and probably the biggest, there's more awareness and demand for all drone services across the board. And this is a great sneak peek into what's coming. So China's 2025 approval of commercial flying taxis isn't just a national achievement, it's a global milestone that signals the beginning of a whole new era in urban mobility. It's an exciting time to be in the drone industry, whether you're doing real estate photography, inspections, or you're looking into something more advanced like agriculture or delivery. I host a quarterly training called Drone Command Live, and I'd like to invite you to our next 3-day immersion training, where you'll learn how you can make real money flying a drone. I mean, the current demand for drone services is off the chart. It's way up here, but the supply is still way down here. And that delta isn't going to be like that for much longer. Now's the time to take advantage of it. Be sure and click the link below, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the training. Till next time, you take care and fly safe.